channel and to another video. So in my last video I mentioned that we were taking my wheels and tires to get mounted, and that is what we're doing today. Excuse me. That's what we're doing today, and I went to the shop, picked them up already. You can kind of see them back there, but it was like an hour and a half drive there back here, so I stopped to get a drink and some snacks, and then we're gonna head over to this guy's house. He's gonna mount the tires for me, so I can't wait to show you guys. I'm so freaking excited. This is a really big part of the build. I want to say a huge thank you to Archon and Fury for helping sponsor this build. These 24x14s on the 37s, they're gonna look absolutely amazing. I can't wait for you guys to see. So after I run in and grab a Red Bull and a snack, we will be on our way to the shop, and I cannot wait to show you guys, bring you guys along. We're about to see these wheels and tires mounted, so without further ado, we'll just get right into it.
Those are massive. Oh my god.
What's up, you guys? So I just got back to the shop with our wheels and tires, and they are all together. They are on, and a huge thank you to a local tire place. They got them mounted completely, which is a huge help because obviously we struggled. So I have the 24x14s on 37s, and you guys, they turned out so good. So much better than I could have even imagined. I am definitely happy I went with the chrome. I'm happy with the wheel size, the tire size. Those are the Country Hunter MT2 by Fury. I think they're the MT2s, and I absolutely love them. I love the look, I love the tread, I love all of it together. It looks absolutely amazing, and I couldn't be more pleased with how they turned out. They look so good together. Definitely think I made a decent choice on them, and yeah. So they're not gonna go on right away. I did just want to get them mounted and done because we just had like the stack of tires and then the boxes, and we have a little bit of extra time until the truck goes to paint. So yes, it did take a couple days, a few tries, but we got them on there and they look amazing. So again, these are the Fury MT2s, 37 by 13 and a half. They are absolutely gorgeous. I love the tread on them. I love them with the wheel. I think it's the perfect amount of tire to wheel ratio, in my opinion. I really enjoy this look. They're big wheels, and I love that. I absolutely love them. I know I keep saying it, but they just turned out amazing. A big thank you to Archon and Fury for helping sponsor this build with the wheels and tires. I cannot wait to get them on the truck. Thank you again. I'm so glad I went with the Caesars, the Archon Caesar 24x14s. I love the wheel pattern. I love the chrome. I love them on the tires, and I know they're gonna look even better on the trucks. So of course these aren't gonna go on today or really anytime soon until the paint's done, but until then I have some other stuff we have to do still. The lift kit still needs sandblasted and powder coated, so within the next couple videos I'll be showing you guys that, getting that done. I'm really excited. Once the cab and all the other parts come back from Columbus and we're all done with the paint, it is go time. I'm ready to put the lift on, the wheels and tires are ready to go, and basically we just have to reassemble and make it big. So a huge thank you to you guys for your support. Without you guys, I wouldn't be able to do this. So thank you again. I'm so determined to get this build done, and we're taking all the steps that we need to keep moving forward. So thank you guys again for all the support, and a big thank you to Archon and Fury for a pretty awesome wheel and tire setup. I'm so stoked to put them on the truck. They look absolutely beautiful together, so I cannot wait to share the rest with you guys. But until then, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on your little bell so you get notified every single time I upload. Take care, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.